How cool would it be to build your very own robot? It would feel so awesome to fix and build things. Engineers get to fix and build things that solve problems for people. Imagine if you had to walk everywhere. It would take a really long time to go from place to place. An engineer fixed that problem by building a car. Imagine if you couldn't call your grandma, your cousin, or a friend who lived far away. An engineer fixed that problem by building a phone. Do you know what an engineer is? An engineer is a person who wants to know how and why things work. They design and build things that solve a problem for people. There are many types of engineers who solve different kinds of problems. A civil engineer builds buildings, roads, and bridges. An electrical engineer designed electrical systems, like the computer chip that's inside the microwave your mom used to make popcorn. An aerospace engineer builds airplanes and spaceships. A software engineer builds systems that work inside machines like computers, phones, and robots. For each type of problem, there's an engineer to solve it. Do you want to solve problems like an engineer? There are so many types of engineers, but they all solve problems the same way, by using the engineering process. It works like this. Step 1. Find a problem and ask questions about it. Problem. It's dangerous for people to explore other planets because they are far away and people need food, water, and sleep to survive a long time. Step 2. Imagine a solution. Solution. What if we created a robot to explore other planets and tell us what they find? Step 3. Make a plan. Plan. What kind of robot should we create? Let's draw our robot on paper first. Step 4. Create. Let's build a prototype to test our design. Step 5. Improve your design. After testing, it's time to make some improvements. Ask yourself, how can you make this design better? Step 6. Share your work. Release your work and see if it solves the problem. That's the engineering process. Ask, imagine, plan, create, improve, and share. Did we solve the problem? How do we know if we were successful? As an engineer, a solution is something we design or build to solve a problem. So, if your robot is able to explore other planets and tell us what he finds, then we were successful. Do you want to solve problems? Great! Then you could be an engineer. Engineers love to use numbers. Engineers get to create all kinds of cool things, like apps, bridges, flying cars, future cities. Engineers are very curious and love to read. Engineers stay fit and eat good, sleep well, and exercise. There are many types of engineers, but all engineers solve problems. Engineers like to ask a lot of questions. What is the problem that needs to be solved? Who has the problem? Why is it important that the problem is solved? Engineers also take quiet time away from electronics and get lots of sleep. Engineers are awesome, so are you. See you soon. Bye, my young engineer. Bye-bye.